Hello everyone, today what we're doing is setting the time and date up for the 720p button hidden body camera. Let me show you exactly what we're going to be doing here. Prior to starting this video, I've already made a recording on the device, and let me show you kind of what we're doing and how we're going to do it here. So I already have the device plugged into my computer, so I'm going to go down here to the bottom left and type in this PC. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to access the memory of the device. So right here I can already tell you that this is the recorder right here. I can tell that because I know my computer, and these two hard drives are my normal everyday hard drives. So yours might look a little bit different than this, but you can easily tell just by the size of the actual hard drive. I have a 32 gigabyte SD card in here, and this is 30 gigs. So this is exactly right. So I'm gonna go in here. You're gonna see a DCIM folder. You're gonna have to double click on that. It's going to bring you to a different folder. You double click on that one more time, and then it's going to bring you to the file. Now this is the file, like I said, that I made right before starting this video, and I'm going to show you exactly what we're doing. So I'm going to play it real quick, and if you look at the bottom left here, you're going to see a time and date stamp here. Obviously it is not 2016 or in March. If you look at my time and date stamp on my computer, it actually is November 1st at around 10:43 a.m. So we need to change that. We need to make that accurate. So I'm going to close out of that, and then I'm going to close out of this window as well. And I'm going to take you back to our website, which is just www.spycenter.com. Let's go to the home page real quick. So spycenter.com. It's going to bring you to a page that looks like this one. And then if you click up here where it says search all products and type in the number 6810, and then click on this area here, it'll bring you right to where I was just now. And if you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see some instructions how to set the time and date rather. So you're going to want to first install the SD card, and then plug the device into your computer. Now when you reach the file folder, you're going to want to make a text document, and then this is for Mac, so we're going to skip that one, or a notepad on Windows, and then name it time. So to do that, make sure that you've already installed your SD card and started a recording, stopped the recording, and then plugged it into your computer. Now, where it says down here, it says on Windows, this is called the Windows button. Click on this and then just type in this PC and open it up. And again, it's going to bring you, this is just where we were just now, but we have to go here to do the text document. So double click on this, and then right in this folder, you don't want to be here. You want to actually be where it says DCIM, where you can see it, okay? And then we're just going to follow these instructions that it says on the website. So it says create a text document, name it time. So to create a text document, anywhere underneath this white space right here, you want to right click, go down to new, and then where it says text document, and then you're going to want to left click that option. And that's going to create a text document here. And then all you have to do is type, so I'm going to name it time. Okay, and then I just left click off of the area here, and that saved it. And then it's going to want inside, write the information in this format. So year, month, day, hour, minute, seconds. So it would be, okay, so I'm going to double click on this time file. It's going to open it up, and then we're just going to follow this along. So it is 2018 period November, so 11, and then it is the first, so 01, space, and then it is 10:46, and let's do the seconds too. Let's see, it is about 21 seconds, so 21. Okay, now to save this, all you have to do is hit the little X up here. If you want to save the changes, hit save, and then that's it. So now the next step is to unplug the device from your computer and start a recording. So I'm going to go ahead and pause real quick and unplug the device from my computer and actually start that recording to show you guys what happens. Okay, I'm back with you now. So I unplugged the device from my computer, started a recording, stopped the recording, and then plugged the device back into my computer, and we just want to make sure that it worked. So go down here and then again type in this PC. Okay. And then we have the device right here. So again, double click on this. And I can already tell you that it worked. And I can tell you that because that time file that we made where we right clicked, went new, text document, that file disappeared. And that's normal because whenever the device starts recording, if that file's located there, what it'll do is it's going to update the time and date with whatever's in that file. So I can already tell you that worked. Now, if yours is still there after starting the recording, it's because you either had it in the wrong spot, like you had it in here, for example, or you've named it improperly because it has to match exactly what I typed, which was time, but the T was capitalized. So, okay, let's go into the DCIM folder, and there we go. So we have the original file I created before setting the time and date where it thought it was 2016, and then this is the file I just made, 2018. So let me start the playback here, and you can already see down here at the bottom it says 2018 November 1st at 10:46. That was about 3 minutes ago or so. So absolutely worked. It's great, perfect, exactly what I was wanting it to do. Now that I've done this test and it was successful, I don't need these files anymore, so I can delete these. So to delete a file, you can either delete them individually by hovering over it with your mouse, right-clicking, and going down to delete, or if you want to delete multiple files, you can left-click with your mouse and hold, and then drag your mouse like that, and it'll allow you to select multiple files. Once they're selected, you can let go of your mouse button. So click, hold, let go. That'll highlight them, and then you can either right-click and hit delete, or you can hit the delete key on your keyboard, and it's going to prompt you and say, hey, are you sure you want to delete these items? Hit yes, and there you go. And you can reuse the memory over and over again.